Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make stupid pie. Why is this pie called stupid pie? Well, it's because it's so stupid simple to make. To begin, you will need 3 egg whites. I didn't want to waste whole eggs, so I'm going to use a little over half a cup of pourable egg whites. Next, you will beat the egg whites until they are white and fluffy and form a stiff peak on the end of the beater. This takes just a couple of minutes. After beating the egg whites, add 1 cup of a 0-calorie sweetener. A half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Before mixing these ingredients together, you will need to add a couple of more ingredients. Take 20 buttery crackers and crush them up in a Ziploc bag. It's perfectly fine to leave some larger crushed pieces of crackers. This will actually add texture to the pie. After the crackers have been crushed, add a half a cup of chopped walnuts and a half a cup of chopped pecans. Mix the crackers and the nuts together and add it to the egg whites. Using a spatula, carefully fold and mix the ingredients together. After the ingredients have been well combined, prepare a pie plate. Lightly spray it with a nonstick cooking spray and then add the pie mixture. Evenly spread out the pie mixture in the pie plate and bake the pie at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, let the pie cool completely before adding the Cool Whip to the top. Evenly spread out the Cool Whip so that it covers the entire pie. The amount of Cool Whip you use is completely up to you. Alright y'all, that's it. That's stupid pie. I hope you give this pie a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Alright y'all, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.